Our NWTC Dental Hygiene Clinic. We have students who provide dental services to the community, so new patient exams, dental x-rays, cleanings, fluoride treatments. We have a wide variety of services that we can offer.
Me gusta venir a la clínica dental porque recibo buen tratamiento y, como dije antes, me gusta el personal, todo el respeto que me dan. Es una bonita experiencia.
They will get a good cleaning and they will get a good care.
Any individual who is uninsured can receive those services at about anywhere from a $30 to $40 fee.
We offer service interpretation for those that English is not the primary language.
Yo recomendaría la clínica dental NWTC a cualquier persona.
At NWTC, you will receive an excellent service in an inclusive environment.